Welcome to the AveriSource Use Case video series. This video covers application architecture mapping. Today, we'll overview using the AveriSource platform to analyze your mainframe and mid-range application architecture mapping. In most cases, those doing the analysis would be business analysts or developers, with architects or project managers planning the project. They would use the AveriSource platform to gain the critical insights and functionality from the current system and plan what components or functions need modification or repair. To execute this process, we'll use the AveriSource platform, including Analyze to help reduce technical debt and validate business rules, Discover to understand the application architecture, data access patterns, and data element usage, Inventory to determine missing and unreferenced items and use of platform utilities and third-party products, and Scan to qualify and count content and size of the portfolio. As noted in prior videos, Scan is our free pre-project portfolio assessment product. Clients and service providers run this for project planning and staffing determination. AveriSource Inventory identifies not just missing or unreferenced items, but also platform utilities and third-party products that may need removal or replacement, showing where they're referenced down to the line of code for context analysis. We'll start with Discover Process Identification. When we first parse the code, we index the components and assign generic process descriptions. You can download the template, update the descriptions with business functions, applications, or support groups, project priorities, or any identifiers that help with process, teams, or relevant segregation, and upload the document. If the application SMEs aren't available or don't exist, you can use the cluster view to have components identified by online, batch, size of lines of code, connections, complexity. Clicking on a component box shows the metrics for that component. AveriSource Discover provides application overviews in the form of call chain diagrams showing the flow of executed modules, the utilities and files referenced, and the copybooks or imported code. To see a component's connections, the Connections report enables you to filter by the selected component to see its list of connections. This report shows the connected component children, their component type, and the connection type. The Dependency view allows you to select priority components and generate a cross-reference report for the dependencies of those components. Discover Complexity Analysis view provides 17 columns of calculated complexity numbers, supporting industry-standard Halstead and McCabe cyclomatic complexity measurements. This can help at prioritizing project workloads by complexity. Discover Data Lineage views enable understanding references from the data perspectives, showing data operations and cross-references, and data structures or record layouts showing data elements, element type, and whether they're referenced in the program. Understanding these references and usage patterns can help accelerate maintenance. The data source usage and data source files map views show components referencing the data sources in question. The application analysis process using AveriSource Analyze can greatly help in reducing or eliminating the technical debt in your core business applications by providing views or code block or component redundancy and dead code, for instance. The Analyze code block and file comparison view identifies 10 or more lines of code, either with a program or across programs that match up to 70% or more. This enables identification of similar code that may cause maintenance issues and that could be candidates for consolidation or removal, or dead code in the form of unreferenced paragraphs. Flowcharts enable application flow understanding, with drill down into routines and down to the line of code for contextual analysis. As you can see, the AveriSource platform accelerates application architecture mapping. So, why not start today for free with AveriSource Scan? Contact us for a live demo and discussion or POC at hello@averisource.com. Thanks for your time. Join us for other use case videos in this series on our YouTube channel.